What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and I would like to welcome y'all to the next thing we're doing. We are going to be running Project reDECKorate. All right, you get it? Decorate. Well, Project reDECKorate will be starting very soon. We are going to do some little tests here and there, but the first phase of this project we will do will be the privacy fence. We are basically taking all of this compost wood, we are taking it down, and we are going to replace it with vinyl sleeves and vinyl railings. Okay, I am not going to do a composite. I'm not going to redo the whole flooring right now. I'm gonna be honest. To do the whole flooring will be a lot of money, and that is not money that is budget in this budget reDECKorate. Okay, now we are on a budget. The budget varies here and there because on Project reDECKorate we are going to also have new furniture. So we are going to do new furniture. Also might get it from Bob's Furniture. We saw something in there that we liked a while ago, so that might range up to $1,500 for the furniture. So if you just looking to just like redo your deck railing or something like that, then you know this video or this series of videos will help you out. I am not going to do this all at once. I am going to do this solo unless I really need some help. I will call in my father or my father-in-law to help me out to fix out a problem if I can't do it by myself. But for the most part, this is just sleeves. I'm going to take off the old composite wood and put the vinyl on, and that shouldn't be too much of a headache. Now with this deck, looks can be deceiving because the deck is pretty old. So let me show y'all some defects that this deck has and let me know what y'all think. All right, you guys, I'm turning y'all around now. Once again, the deck is fairly old. I believe the deck was probably built since the house was built, so that was basically 20 years ago. And as y'all can see that, you know, it's time for this railing to be KO'd. Okay, you see the wood lifting. Yes, you can hit the wood, but it's basically warped out. All right, now this other side of this railing right here, as you can tell, we tried to put it together, but it's coming off right here. All right, it's finished. All right, now another thing with the deck, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but some of the posts look off-centered, and that is something that I really have to take care of. At least it don't look that off-centered, but we will put the level on and fix it up. I do have deck paint. I am using bare solid color wood seal and paint. Okay, I will show y'all the can of that in a little bit. Another thing here with the steps, if you look at other people's decks, the end part of the step is usually out further or it's on the step. This one here kind of meets with the edge of the step right there, so I will have to really figure out what I'm going to do right here. Do I want to leave this post, or do I want to try to maybe shift the post so that way my last post can land on the bottom of my step? I am not sure yet. If y'all have any suggestions, let me know. That's been missing for a very long time. The steps are definitely warped, really warped. So you can see that right there. It's finished, you guys, done. I will be taking all of this off, replacing it. So I'm not going to be replacing the whole floor, like I said. I'll leave the whole floor for a different budget, maybe another couple of years from now. For the vinyl railing, I am looking at Home Depot and Lowe's. If y'all know any place else cheaper or something, but as far as the posts go, I got one post for like $11 a post sleeve. That's the cheapest that I found from Home Depot. And I have a lot of posts out here. Now, the posts, like the railing set, the set they have is like, I think it's like $80 or something like that. I don't know. I gotta redo the numbers, but the set runs, I think, 6 foot. They have one that's 6 foot, and they have one that's 8 foot or something like that. Now, I know this is a custom post deck. Now, this is my thing that I have been basically contemplating with. I've been contemplating whether to remove a post and just go ahead and purchase the deck railing that I need and redo the post as like 6 feet apart or whatever I need apart to fulfill my post needs for that railing set. And hopefully this don't sound too confusing for y'all, so I will break it down in another video. All right, you guys, and here is another issue. I try to screw this side back on, but this is definitely a hazard here. You guys, this deck is done. I'm telling you, it's done. I am ready to change these parts. Once again, this is composite wood, so it should be a 4x4 here, hopefully. All right, you guys, so if you have a deck like mine, you will definitely love that I did this video to show y'all. Right here, I do have a sleeve, I do have a cap, and I will go over this tomorrow for the first stage that I'm doing, or the first phase that I'm doing for project reDECKorate. Oh yeah, and what else? Okay, and here is the bare paint. So we will be painting the deck. I will be taking my time with it. I will not be rushing. And the first phase I will be working with is this area here, and then I will work my way all the way around. But for this tester, I want to just test this little part right here, and that will be it. Subscribe, and we are going to have fun with this project.